Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, someone asked that I throw more light on order block. I am going to do another video to explain maybe better what an order block signifies. Okay, in the first place, an order block is a section of your chart where there are a lot of buying and selling activity, and that means that there is a bearish order block and a bullish order block. Okay, bullish order block means that there is a lot of buying activities that engage maybe banks and other high institutions that trade high volume of assets. Okay, so in that section of your chart you'll find that there are a lot of bullish candle. When we talk about bullish candle, it means that a big candle that engulfed a smaller bearish one, we call it bullish candle. So that bullish candle will precede a bearish candle. So at that point we'll say there is an order block, and that's a point where if the market reverses or retraces back, it will come to that zone to test it. So to further explain this, I'm going to use EURUSD chart to explain this better so that you can understand it. So I'll be using it on 1 hour time frame, and from that 1 hour time frame we can scale it down to 15 minutes time frame to be able to get our entry. Okay, so join me, let's dive into a trading view and see what EURUSD has for us this morning. Okay, so coming to my view here, you can see that at this point the market is at, okay, it's currently trading at 1.09212. okay, and then looking at this chart, there is already an order block that I have seen here. Okay, and I've already marked it, so if you follow me now you see. So this place is an order block because it is being preceded, this bearish candle is being preceded by a bullish candle. This is what I mean by bullish candle. This is a bullish candle. This means that a large volume of buying took place there. So because of that, you can see the momentum in that candle is so large. So we say that there is an order block. There's a lot of orders that happened there. Now, bearing that in mind, we will now take our drawing tool and mark that place out, and that is why you can see that I've actually identified it here. But let me do it again so that you can understand what I'm talking about. So if you look at this, you see what I'm doing. You see what I'm doing here. Remove this, then remove this, okay, remove this. So now remove this one as well. Okay, so now let's carry our rectangular box. So when you pick your rectangular box, you go and mark out where that other block started from. So if you follow me now, you see what I will do. Okay, so I'll just draw it like this. Make sure that you connect the tip of your candle or the tip of the wick, and then you draw it like this, then mark it out. Okay, now the simple assumption here is that by the time this market, as it's going up now, you can see that it's currently buying. Because it's currently buying, you follow it up. When the market reverses, it's going to come back to this order block zone. Okay, we're going to come back to this order block zone, which is here, and when it comes there and tests it, it is going to start buying up again, and that is what we're talking about, because this price action here is what will pull this place back up again. Okay, so don't forget the fact that there are other strategies to trade in the forex market. Actually, there are a lot of strategies that people use to trade. People don't use just one strategy to trade. Okay, however, this order block concept is also a very good concept that if you understand it, it becomes a good point of entry at any time you want to trade. So having said that, if you tune this in back to the time frame, to let's say 15 minutes time frame, you still find out that the market will still look similar, because it's that same order block we'll be looking for. Okay, now look at it here. You see that it's still there. You see that it's still a bullish candle there, and then preceded by a bearish candle. So that's a confirmation that there's another block here. So if I'm to take this trade, I will take it up from there. Since this market is currently on, I'm going to allow it to trade, and then I will do another video to confirm what we talked about in this video, so that we will know if order block really exists and if it really makes sense or not. Thank you very much for your time and for listening. Peace.